Good morning, everybody. It's Redsquadron4 here for Football Box Break number 9 for a single box of 2012 Prominence. The time is, kickoff time, 1 o'clock. It is the 2nd of December 2012. And we're going to load up the spots right away. So first of all, we're going to randomize the 32 teams 3 times. 1 and 3. Now we're going to randomize the buyers. Titan had 5, Fitzy 3, Dirtboy 5, Caps Fan 3, MPX 2, Adam Nork, John Sox, Red Dog and Magics all bought 1, 691S 4, Papa Wood, Teeter Rabbit 1 each, and Golf God got the last 2. So the free team for the person with the most is going to be random between Titan and Dirtboy in a moment. First of all, let's get this. 3 randomizations again. And 3. So the free random is going to get the Ravens. So everyone has a shot at the Ravens, and then Dirt Boy and Titan, one of them is going to get the Atlanta Falcons. So we'll do those right away. First of all, this is for the random for everybody. 1, 2, and again, whoever's in number 1's spot after this next randomization. 3. So Dirt Boy is actually going to get that one. And then between Titan and Dirt Boy for purchasing the most teams, 3 randomizations. 1, 2, and last, Titan. All right. So free random. And then most. All right, there we go. Sorry, folks. There we go. So let's run through the teams that everyone will receive. The Saints go to Papa Wood. Caps fan gets the 49ers. Tampa Bay Buccaneers to John Sox. Indianapolis Colts to Titan. 691S gets the Browns and Chargers. The Rams go to Titan. MPX4 Music gets the Jets. Fitzy, the Detroit Lions. Titan, the Jags. The Bears go to 691S. Chiefs to Dirt Boy. Dolphins to Caps fan. Bengals to Dirt Boy. Titans to T-Rabbit. There's Dirt Boy's free Baltimore Ravens. Cowboys to Fitzy. Steelers go to Titan. Golf God goes to the gets the Seattle Seahawks. The Texans go to Caps fan. Red Dog to the Bills. Adam Nork the Green Bay Packers. Dirt Boy receives the Patriots, Vikings, and Giants. Titan the Falcons. Fitzy the Broncos. MPX4 Music receives the Carolina Panthers. The Eagles go to Titan. The Oakland Raiders. 691S. Magics gets the Washington Redskins. And lastly, the Arizona Cardinals go to Golf God. So, here's our code. There is no serial number hologram on this, just that little guy. So that's the number that I post on the listings. Good luck, everybody. So if any of you are interested, this here is what I've got up right now as well. This 2011 limited. Not selling as well as I thought it would, considering some of the big names in it. First off, for the Atlanta Falcons, a Roddy White base card number 64, 897. Roy Hill Jr. of the Washington Redskins, 850 out of 897. All right. Rookie of the Year candidate, Tampa Bay Buccaneers, a Doug Martin jersey, rookie projection card. Number 10 of 299. We have a redemption for a rookie jersey prime signature for Russell Wilson. I believe that's the Seahawks. Obviously, I will double check that, but Russell Wilson, rookie jersey prime signature. So there's one of the autographs. Here's the next. Wow. Beautiful autograph for the Cleveland Browns. Huge jersey. Premium materials, Trent Richardson. And this is nice and low numbered. 21 out of 25. Nice card. For the Pittsburgh Steelers, a legend, Jerome Bettis. 101 out of 897. For the Cleveland Browns, Ozzie Newsome, legend. $129 out of 897. And Antonio Gates of the San Diego Chargers, number 192 out of 897. Perfect. Let me just double check that redemption. Yep, and it is the Seattle Seahawks. So again, this is going to the Seattle Seahawks. Thanks to everybody for participating. Enjoy your Sunday football, and these are going to get mailed out tomorrow. Thanks again.